How to use grid pinning on Instagram. So let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open the app and then click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, there is a picture that I have uploaded. You click on your picture, whichever picture you want to pin, you click on that picture. On the top right corner there will be three dots. Click on that. Once you click on it, there will be an option of pin to your profile. Click on pin to your profile. Once you click on it, this picture or whichever picture you want to pin has been pinned to your profile. You can see it here, I have pinned it. Then you can click on that picture again and click on the three dots and click on unpin from your profile if you want to unpin it. It's the same process. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any doubts, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.